Give me the mute ability and I will.
And we are live. Welcome to a very special exhibition edition of DevOps Party Games. I am not on the video and I won't be all night because Zoom is terrible.
So that voice there is Matt Stratton.
Yes, and I also just on the fly did a little fun OBSing there. So you just saw Jeremy go. Roop. Jeremy, you'll have to watch the video later to see what I was talking about.
Yeah.
It's cool,
really,
but anyway,
that's how it
yeah.
works.
I'm one of your hosts, Matt Stratton, and then my other host is the one you can see right now. Although I think your camera's out of focus, yo. Don't fix it now.
Perfect focus. My camera's in focus. I'm Jeremy Meese, your second host, also known as co-host, also known as hostess without the mostest. We need to move on now, Matt.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So as I kind of alluded to, this is a special edition. This is a non-ranking match, so none of these scores count towards the thought leaderboard. But given
PJ, you can't try.
You're not even. People don't know PJ's playing yet.
Everybody knows him.
Oh, that's right.
God
he's not.
Damn it.
He's in the audience. We're just
right.
trying to get him.
Here's the deal.
Win.
There were 2 different DevOps days this week. DevOps Days Boston took place on Tuesday. DevOps Days Buffalo was today. So tonight we are putting in the cage, the virtual cage, the organizers from both events, and we'd like to introduce them to you now. And so our first player, oh god damn, I hate Zoom so much.
I like the movement.
Nickname. That would be his nickname in all DevOps Party Games going on.
Okay.
Here on
Anyway, our first player is the lovely PJ.
Hey everybody, I am PJ Haggerty. I hail from Buffalo, New York, where we have the best DevOps Days event this week. It was absolutely amazing, and I'm really happy to be here. Thanks for having me, Matt and Jeremy.
Right. And also from Buffalo, excuse me. All of these, we're going to go, the first 5 are going to be from Buffalo.
No, it's just the first
also
4.
Hailing from Buffalo.
It's just the first 4.
It's not
really is now. So Quintessence, why don't you go ahead and dig me out of my hole?
I will dig as hard as I can, but I have very weak arms. I'm Quintessence from Buffalo, New York, and I code. I don't dig.
Fair.
Our next player is Tyler, also repping Buffalo.
Hey, this is Tyler Poland from Buffalo, New York, and I'm not going to dig either.
Excellent. All right. And then finally from Buffalo, we have Olga.
Hello, I'm Olga. I'm from Buffalo, and I second PJ on having the best DevOps days ever.
The gauntlet has been thrown down.
It is.
Something about digging.
Speaking of digging, I dig this cat's jacket. It's Aaron.
Oh, hey. What's up, everybody? I'm Aaron. I'm technically from DevOps Days Hartford and New York City, but also Boston this week, where we had the most well-attended DevOps Days event this week that I know of. That was produced by me through OBS the whole time, which was amazing. And now I can feel for Matt this whole time, and I should move on to the next person.
Probably should. All right. So also hailing from Boston is Mike D.
Hey everyone, I'm Mike D, and I was an MC for DevOps Days Boston, the best DevOps Days event.
My question is, Mike D,
existed.
Do you play?
Please, next.
Yeah. And next, also from Boston, is Don.
How's it going? I'm Don from Boston, and I MC'd with Mike D too. And you know what? Aaron told me I needed to be MCA that day, and I made a little rap, and I said it to some of my friends, and they said to me, "Never do that again." So I'm never going to do that again.
That's fair.
All right. Then also from Boston, we have Paul.
Hi, everybody. Paul Bruce, yes, from DevOps Days Boston. I just really like community. I like coding, like testing. When I'm not doing that, I'm playing one of these games, all the way through, straight through every Zelda game, reverse, do it again, all day long. as much as I can.
And rounding us out from the Boston crew is Adam.
Hey everybody, I'm Adam from Boston, the first DevOps Days this week. I don't know what other things we are, but there's a bunch of things in front of that. But when I'm not doing DevOps Days, I'm doing other organizer things, and I'm looking forward to having an awesome time. Maybe beating Buffalo. But I hear good sportsmanship is important. Something like
Who
that.
told you that? That doesn't sound like something anybody on this show would say.
Has there ever been any kind of event between Boston and Buffalo where good sportsmanship was an issue?
Yeah, I don't think that's.
And we never put that in the player's document either. So that's something you're reading into it. That's on you.
So we're going to start this game because it's what the people want. So players, go ahead and join the Quiplash round now. Aaron, I remind you, you are not playing in this round. Because we have
Aaron in timeout.
Aaron is in timeout. Paul, go ahead and hit start the game.
Oh, really? Me?
Well,
I'm the one.
You're the VIP.
Oh, okay.
All right. So while he's doing that, all those that are out there in internet land that will be seeing it on their screen here will be able to join by going to jackbox.tv in your browser, however you choose to use a browser, and enter in the code OFRG Oscar.
Hey, by the way, if you've been trying to watch captions on this stream all this time, I'm sorry. I just forgot to turn them on, but I just did. So captions are now available to you. But yeah, go ahead. You can join the audience at jackbox.tv with the code OFRG. Players are going to be getting on their virtual devices, their handheld devices. Maybe they're handheld, maybe they're lap held, maybe they're desk held. I don't know. But anyway, everybody is getting a prompt of some kind that they have to provide an example or an answer or a fill in the blank. And every prompt will have two answers. Two different people will be getting the same prompt. And what gets to happen in a minute is we get to vote on the one that we think is best. And at DevOps Party Games, best means funniest. So
yes,
bring it.
Know your audience.
Funny people.
Know your audience. Know your audience. Okay. So also, by being a member of the audience, you will be able to vote on each
You get to vote too.
response.
Yeah.
And so then you will be able to influence who wins and potentially who loses in the final Boston versus Buffalo standings.
All of the beans, all of the bragging rights.
No, because of the computer.
I think that whoever wins, they get free tickets to next year's event from the losers. I think that's fair.
I only had two questions. Is that right? I only had two
Oh
questions.
my God. Okay.
Now it says thank you for your answers.
You know what I just did? I muted Zoom so that I could yell at my kids. But you know what doesn't get muted? The stream. So, sorry, everybody just heard me yelling at my kids on the live stream.
Time's running out.
I don't think I heard that.
On the live stream, you won't hear it in the Zoom call.
Yeah, I have the live stream.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Huh.
Hey, reality folks.
All right.
Anyway, it's fine. It was just basically like, go play and don't let me.
All right, come on. 4 seconds. We got 3 people. Come on. What's going on?
Uh-oh.
Time
3
to
people
share.
did not get their answers in
What?
the time allowed.
Oh, this is gonna. What is with you? Oh my!
Everybody
This is why this
I
game
stopped
is not
running
ranked.
Linux on my desk.
Okay, why I stopped running Linux on my desktop? The penguin fell off. The dog ate my window manager, so I had to.
It's
G.
Had to go?
Had to go.
Go.
You
because
got
I had to
go.
G.
Give up? Had to give up.
He is
Who is
slang
who
for
is
something.
Esser Easley, by the way? Just so
That looks like that's Adam.
I think that's Adam. He apologized in the chat. It happens.
And no, it's cool. It's cool, man.
All right, so the winner bonus goes
Next in
to,
the
I forget,
hopper?
was that Olga?
That's Tyler.
Oh, I'm glad this one finally came up.
Get to voting.
Yes,
Nice.
we've been wondering. The real reason that Matt Stratton went to work for Red Hat. Needed to cover that floppy
I like
hair.
it. Yeah.
He doesn't have to hide his fedora hobby. It's good.
I feel like that would have been a good with a Milady.
Not enough characters.
What the?
Oh, that was a resounding.
You know what? I'm okay with this because Olga's on my team. I'm good with it.
That's a good point. Good. Help each other out.
Teamwork makes the dream work, y'all.
I
You do not want to know my last message. Okay. The AWS docs were wrong. How dare you accuse AWS docs of being wrong? Or fixed sonar code smells.
I'm surprised there's no
Actually,
fixed
my
white
last
space.
commit message is, I did this to help you, please, for a free T-shirt. Is nobody else watching Hacktoberfest stuff? Yeah, I was like,
Oktoberfest.
Hashtag Hacktoberfest.
Yeah.
Good times.
Next prompt.
or as a caption,
And it's only October
Oktoberfest.
Well,
Vote now.
there's that too. A discarded name for an AWS service. All of these actually seem right.
I don't think they discarded either of them. Bear
No,
Cloud
they're in-
native.
Anything
Duh,
with more names. Anything with more names.
And
I
it
didn't
goes
like
to
it.
Q. Wow.
Ouch.
Well done. And got the audience votes too. All right,
Yeah.
racking those up.
And next.
You should never put baby in the container.
Ah, it even calls me up. I got distracted by Maddie.
Yeah.
Next.
Bad form, seriously.
The worst PagerDuty ringtone imaginable.
Oh, I don't
Ron
even get to
Burgundy.
vote.
Oh, and that was a good one. No, because Tyler.
Tyler really pulled a Tyler on this one.
And
That's,
next.
How did the game know that about you, Tyler?
I don't know the slightest.
I would feel attacked. Ah,
This
that was a
one's a
good
good
answer,
one.
PJ.
Yeah.
Mike D, you didn't.
I
I feel like I didn't earn it. I feel like I didn't earn it right there.
This is
I
a
think the
trial
second
round, right?
round. Yeah, the second round will get you there.
Food sweet.
Sticky note on the communal computer, okay? Or Hootsuite. That's good. That's nice.
In the drafts of Hootsuite is what I was thinking.
I have not seen Hootsuite in a while. Who still uses Hootsuite?
Oh my god.
A lot of marketing people.
Yeah.
I sadly did for the event yesterday.
Okay. I stand corrected.
Aha, now you feel bad, don't you? No.
Not really. You don't know me.
Round one's over.
You'll find that out.
All right. So at the end of the first round, given unearned points by PJ, even with unearned points, PJ's still in fourth place. So rough, man.
Yeah,
Middle
classic.
of the road. That's PJ right there. Middle of the road.
Everything is
I'm
worth
truly
it.
the perfect example of mediocre.
Is that the miffle of the
I feel
road?
like Don's the dark horse.
PJ, or
right
is
That's the yes, Jeremy. It's the miffle of the road.
Middle of the road. Okay. The
Make
miffle.
one mistake with these people.
That's right.
You've made far more than one mistake with these people, PJ.
All right. So as they are, hopefully all going to get their prompts in this time. We have 4 in the audience. I'm hoping. I can't see the Twitch stream at the moment to see how many are actually watching. But those that are watching the Twitch stream right now, go out there to jackbox.tv, put in the code OFRG, and you too can join the audience and hopefully make sure that Buffalo or Boston win. But we're all winners, right? We all
Speak for yourself.
I'm just glad we're all absolved of this whole getting on a thought leaderboard.
Come on, Buffalo, answer those
I'm
questions.
so tired of those.
All, you know you wanted
Yeah.
to get on a
Barf.
It is equal points pride and embarrassment.
Yes. They add up. They all even out at the end of the day.
Do they?
No. It just
Not
feels like
particularly,
you're
no.
supposed to say.
That is no way how that
It'll
mathematically
work
works.
out. It'll be fine.
There's 3 of you left.
Hurry.
You already got a time.
On
Go, go, go.
Can't think of something.
2.
I really hope this joke lands.
Buffalo's all in.
Oh, here we go. There we go. I
Nice.
finally got in
Just
on
in
this one.
time.
Classic.
Let's
Nick
start
of
the
time.
show.
Womp
Nick of
womp.
time.
Starting us off.
All right. I lost my
no.
root privileges in production
Okay,
because.
voting time. Pick your favorite.
Ooh.
I
Yikes.
said all the
Wow. That one seems like there's a story attached to
There's
that.
got to be at least one person in the crowd who works in the healthcare industry who just cringed.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
somebody just went.
Someone went for the jugular.
Someone's a little
Just-
attacked right now.
My rear clenched.
Someone in the healthcare industry just went and double checked their last script they wrote.
Their last commitment.
Olga.
Wow.
Yeah, Olga.
Nicely done. Olga.
Whip
Absolute
Lash. And the audience favorite. So Adam, boom. Quiplash. That's the sound you have to make when there's a quiplash. You have to go quiplash.
Oh, is it like you have to yell Yahtzee?
You have to say
It
the
is
same
like
thing.
yelling Yahtzee, yeah.
It's
Oh, wow. That is
Pulling it.
well played. Well played.
How'd you know his password though?
What's worse?
He has
The
a
sticky
bang
note on the
instead of the
communal
dollar
computer.
sign. That's the only difference.
I am definitely
Put it in
snack-
Hootsuite.
You put it in Hootsuite.
PJ.
I don't know what we're
What?
gonna. That's
Whoa!
Come on, the
What?
Spaceball
Wow.
reference?
Yeah.
It's so good.
nice. Yes, that's the same. That's what it. Yeah. Exactly. So without
Gotta know
Laura
your
playing,
audience,
though,
though.
nobody knows how to find out
I
like
guess.
where you can look at the answers after the game. She was the one who always knew how to find the link.
Not yet.
Your answer may lose. Oh,
Why
nice.
are my lines?
That is some like flex in the quiplash going on right now.
Yeah,
you know.
that's quite good.
No, I don't know if I admire the boldness or if I'm immediately angry at it.
You can be both.
Why not both?
Why not?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
you-
cute.
Hey.
All right. Well, you know, Don, you got
Rockin'.
my vote, man. I gotta tell you.
Appreciate it.
Let's go, Buffalo.
It was self-fulfilling. That was awesome.
I wish I had mine.
All right, my worst LinkedIn endorsement.
Ken Human.
Oof.
By the way, my worst LinkedIn endorsement is salads. Or
If
facial
we're just offering
reconstruction
it up.
surgery. Facial
My worst is
reconstruction
zebras.
surgery was a good one. What's that?
Zebras. That's
Zebras?
I'm endorsed for zebras.
I should
had
be
someone-
endorsed for zebras.
Have
And
you worked with zebras? Because that makes you 10 steps ahead of me.
no, but I've given a talk reflecting about zebras for like I gave it like 20 times last year. Where were you? You
Probably at a
even saw
different
me-
conference.
I gave it at the conference we were both
Next
at.
one.
Which one?
Fair. The real root
So the
cause.
real-
Oh wow, this is a tough one. I kind of like the Slim Shady thing, but you know, the shade is strong. Let's see what the audience. This is how we'll see how many people are in the audience from whichever event.
Only 2 audience
Supporters.
votes? Come on.
Oh, and the
Oh,
audience decides.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt a lot.
That feels good.
As if, by the way, Austin, you hopefully don't need to ban my kids in the chat, but kids, don't make Austin have to ban you, please.
'Cause he will. He'll
will.
ban you. So the results of our last security audit were either they were already compromised or, this is bad.
They're the same picture. But
Olga again. Wow.
Yes.
So I was running out of time. And I said fuck, and I didn't know what to put in.
And it turns out that was what to put in.
It worked.
Hashtag relatable.
Always go with that. So reasons to not run Kubernetes production. Each time I've seen
There are no
this,
reasons.
I've always seen reasons to not run Kubernetes. I mean, reasons
Oh,
to
okay. By the way, yeah, F you very much, whoever.
Matt, open
Why is
shift.
there some reason why that would be?
Why would OCP be a thing that I care about? I don't know. If you want to buy a house.
Oh, jeez. You got that IBM money. You're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Goal is
All
fine.
right. So I think we're going into. If my gut tells me, it tells me there's still a question. The Ides of March. Ooh, that's a thinker.
It's actually a really good conference talk. On
Yeah, I know,
Actually,
right? Yeah.
Since DevOps Days New York City, that somebody needs to do at the next DevOps Days New York City needs to do that talk. Ides of
What's
March.
that?
Guys in March.
Because
Just
that-
called
I
that?
just-
It can
So I
be
need
about
to let
anything.
you all know you're mispronouncing. It's the IDEs of March. It's a pun. This is why
Oh my
I
God,
didn't know
that's
the joke
even better.
Even better.
Q, you nailed it. You
now
nailed
it's
it.
now it's an even better I hate talk. But it
I
is
still
want
want to watch the talk.
Even
It's
with
so
us,
good.
so here's the thing.
You have
Even
to
with
make
us
this
pronouncing it
happen.
wrong,
Round two is
Quinn
through.
still
Let's
got
see what
the
it
super
is.
quiplash. Super
Well done.
quiplash.
She should win it. She
Okay.
gets extra 1,000
Listen,
points.
listen. This is important. So for the last round, the other thing that's
Look
important is
at
that Quinn is
Boston.
crushing at this.
Look
So
at
listen,
Buffalo.
for the last round, we could not put
It's
in
round
custom
three,
prompts,
the
so this is
last
going to be
lash.
coming
I've got
from
one prompt
the
left, and
game. And
last-
dear God, please do not be as bad and inappropriate as it was on Tuesday night. If it's the
Was
same
it-
one, I will die.
complete
This
this
is a
word
walking
lash
code of
task.
conduct.
It
violation.
really was. Oh my God! There we go. Couldn't
Well-
be any better. Okay.
Yes.
So this is going to be really hard.
All right. So enjoy that. My goodness. Okay. So while we're waiting on everyone to provide their best clever insult using the word moist,
That is code of conduct appropriate.
yes, that is. But yet,
Oh, wait, I didn't hear that and I hit submit.
Ah, well.
It is what it is,
you
folks. What are
may
you gonna
be
do?
ejected from the event without a refund.
that's right. That's right. And never come back, which actually will hurt your thought leaderboard score.
But it does seem
Trying-
like it will improve the show.
You know, you think that, but people like the mouthy guy.
I'm here.
They like the
Only
miffle
has
mouth,
one.
the miffle
There
mouthy
can-
guy.
There can be only one. PJ.
There can be only one PJ. That's what I'm saying.
Great. Yeah. So, we're coming up on the end. We still got a few more people. All but one got
T-pole.
in there.
And
I
here's
did
what
not
you
know
did.
there was a limit to how many characters you could do.
Oh,
you've
so
got-
let's see.
Oh, no.
Does it get more? Okay.
Choose wisely.
Go
Oh.
eat some moist cake. That's
Wow.
kind of a deep cut at PJ there. Well, not that deep.
Yeah.
It's moist AF, yeah.
Wait,
That-
I don't have a neck beard.
no, the cake one.
Oh.
You're the moist pizza I never wanted. I don't really know what that means, but I am going to start using that as
Yeah.
an insult.
I feel like that's yeah.
Your data center is so humid, I can fey. I also can fey. Oftentimes humid data centers make me fey. So yeah. By the way, if you didn't figure this out, players, you are ranking, so you get to vote 3 times. The first one is like your gold medal, then silver, then bronze, and if that's not the order you did it in, well,
Brace yourselves, here come those
that's too bad.
medals. Show me the
It's
silver.
going to be an interesting voting session.
And now
So let's
the
see what we
gold.
got here. Well, we know. All right.
All right, let's turn that
Quinn
into
is.
cold hard points.
I wonder how this game is gonna end.
There were no golds on that.
No, I don't quite know why that happened, but I have a feeling I know how this
Uh-oh.
goes. Hey, Tyler,
It's
I think
over.
you were the
Let's see
VIP.
final scores.
No,
Do not say
always
same
VIP.
players, by the way. It's
Yeah,
gonna come up
don't
on your
touch
phone. Don't start the round again. And our winner is so Buffalo coming out strong in the first
What?
round.
And in the first 3 slots.
Yeah.
Wow!
top
Oh,
3.
did you? Wow.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, we
Yeah,
did.
top 4. Yep.
So, we are going to go ahead. By the way, any of you players, before you close it, I want to say on your device, there's going to be a link that can take you to like pictures and stuff. So somebody post that link like in the Zoom chat or something.
Yes.
But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and switch over to Drawful. So things are going to look weird for a second. So just everybody, calm your self. And so players, I'm going to share the Drawful screen. You can go ahead and start joining the game.
So while that's happening, I'll explain Drawful 2 for those who have not seen this. Each of the contestants, participants, guinea pigs, are going to be drawing a picture of themselves, of how they see themselves represented in the game, and then they will be presented once the game starts with a prompt, and they will need to draw that prompt in their best 3rd grade stick figure possible. Now, at that point, it will do the same thing that we did in the previous game. It will go head to head to choose.
Oh, one thing real quick while you're explaining, not to interrupt, but I do believe, so we've done a swap. So Tyler is swapping out for Aaron. So Aaron is going to be playing this round, but I wanted to say before he leaves, so Tyler, thank you for playing. I know you've got some other more important things, and they literally are more important because almost everything is more important than this. But thank you for playing. It was awesome. And thank you for also throwing a great DevOps Days Buffalo today. Somebody has not joined. Who is not joined yet?
All of Buffalo has joined.
Oh, Adam is. I see Adam. Okay, cool. All right, everybody watching the stream is going to have to chill for a second because I'm going to cut over to the screen, but it's going to do something weird, and you're just going to have to be okay with it. Because what else are you going to do? Change the channel?
Be okay.
Yeah, just be okay.
Wait, we could change the channel? Hang on a minute.
Are there channels?
Yeah.
What are channels?
It's not TV.
What are
right?
channels? You know, the worst thing in the world when you're running an online game show through OBS is when you know that Austin Parker is watching it.
Right.
And he's going, "Oh, Matty."
Yeah. He probably at this point has a little.
You can go ahead and join the
that's how he
audience,
talks.
players.
That sounds right.
If you'd like to.
Can I just say, Matt, that I really enjoy that your son logged on as Joey the Bomb, aka son of the host.
Yes.
So shout out to Joey the Bomb. What's up, Joey the Bomb? You feeling it?
Joey the Bomb.
You
Joey
feeling
the
it? Come
Bomb.
on.
That's right. In Chicago.
Son of the Host is a solid name too.
It's just by itself, just son of the host. Yeah.
Son of the host is a little son of Sammy, though. It's a little.
It's a little bit. It's a little bit. Yeah.
Maybe it's
Negative
kind of thing.
Yeah. It might be okay. I think we'll let it go. All right, so it looks like everybody's in. All right, so the players should players are all in.
But y'all can join the audience now if you want to. Don, go ahead and push the button and say everybody's in. I got a lot of us. There we go. Off we go to the drawful races.
Yeah, you go to jackbox.tv. You'll enter in as the audience member the code XPTG.
Dude, you have one job.
I do, and I just keep reading that wrong. XPTG is my one job to just read that. All right, so we got 3 in the audience. I think we can get one. We need that one more. One more member in the audience. Come on. I'm unsuccessfully lobbying for more people to watch the stream and participate in the stream.
How many people are watching the stream? I can't. My mod view doesn't show like number of viewers right now. So
it should. Why does it not?
Yeah, because I'm in like the mod view, not the regular channel.
Oh, yeah. So I'm looking, and it looks like we have the number of viewers are 750. Oh, it's now on 15.
715.
It's now 15.
Oh, I was like, shit, man.
It was 17, and then as soon as I joined...
Oh, thank you, Joe. Joey also reported back that there are 15 peeps watching.
You need to pay interns. I'm just saying, pay your interns, please.
Yeah, he's being paid in Jimmy John's tonight. Which, by the way, kids, your dinner is on the table if you'd like to go grab your sandwich.
You can also click the menu above the stream to re-show the stream info for yourself, and that's what
I have that checked. It's not showing anything. Oh, there it is. Now it popped up.
I'm kind of feeling really bad about my submission. It sounds like a lot of people are working really hard on this.
You can work hard on it, and there's about as much value as when you don't work hard on it. I can't draw. That's not going to get better with time.
Nope.
I know 3
it's
people.
Not like a fine line.
Thanks, Q.
Better.
Hey, we won Cliplash. It's all good.
That's right.
Definitively.
Is it gonna look awkward that we won Quiplash? Then it was like, all right, well, bye Tyler, who didn't finish in the top 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hey, that'll teach
I'm pretty sure this is rigged.
Yeah,
the rules going into this.
Matt and I both got a Venmo from somebody for saying should win.
So two initials.
That's right. Whoever that was out there
rhymes with
P and a J.
Yeah. Okay.
They should definitely, they're getting their money's worth. That's all we gotta say.
Wait, there was Venmoing?
Drawings in. Check.
Don't act like
you can't do that after you were part of the joke to begin with. It doesn't.
I literally don't know.
You just that was a real anti-improv. That was a real no.
Yes,
no but. It was a real no but.
Yeah.
True
Thanks,
story.
PJ. Well done. And you think you're good at karaoke? Okay. So,
First of all, no one's good at karaoke.
What's the point of karaoke?
That's the point
No,
of
Tiffany's
karaoke.
No,
good
no.
at karaoke.
Did you say Tiffany? Yeah,
there are-
Tiffany.
Oh,
I did.
Aisha Blake also is
Yeah.
stunningly good at karaoke.
and Ben.
Oh, hang on a second. Like a game is happening here, just so we're clear.
Oh wait, shit! There's a game.
Yeah, you better figure
Oh
out.
wait,
you're
I'm supposed
running
to.
out of
I'm supposed to play this.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there we go.
If you tank this for our team, Aaron, I swear to God.
So I'm been banned from DevOps Days.
Okay,
Buffalo.
so what is this? Is it auto car crash? Driving config? AI as in automotive code? Like, just to be clear.
Towing containers behind a truck, a container tow truck.
Pulling along the database. Yes, sometimes you do have to pull along the database. That's like, what's that AWS service where you ship the drives? You know,
Answer. Come on.
you know what I'm talking about?
Particularly
yeah.
Cold Glacier.
Yeah, right. So that's what this is actually. pulling a bunch of drives down the highway, dragging behind you. But let's see what it really is. Driving config. Aaron, yeah, you caught a couple. Okay. PJ, wait. So did I understand correctly that Aaron is technically playing for Team Buffalo?
Correct.
Okay.
I don't know the rules anymore. I've just been recruited to yet another DevOps Days.
Oh.
It's nice knowing you, Aaron.
Okay, well, have fun with that.
Wait, that went really quickly. What was the actual answer?
Yeah, I
It
didn't
was
vote.
test driven.
I totally
Yeah.
missed.
Tester and development. Okay, cool, rad.
All right.
That one hit. All right, there's still only 4 people in the audience, and we have 17 people watching. So-
My son is now having a conversation with himself in the chat on 2 different devices. So take that as an indication of how entertaining this game is to a 10-year-old.
It looks like we're getting spammed. We have 2 Joeys in here, so might want to.
Thanks, Joey. This is great. No, this is perfect.
So what
You're
is
welcome.
This
this?
exemplifies COVID so much. This
Really
is
does.
pandemic life. Hey, Joey 1. What's up, Joey 2? Feeling good, Joey 1. Keep it real, Joey 2. I know.
Okay. All right, we got a few more. Gotta get yours
Let's
in.
see what we
Go.
got here. Is this like the
And
United
here are your
States of DevOps Days Chicago?
Wow.
Okay.
Cross region. Okay. Coop Cuddle, Jeremy.
Wow, nice. Don't forget you can provide likes afterwards.
That's
So even
right.
if you're like, I don't think that's the answer, and maybe that's Cube Cuddle Gerrymander, I think you all should throw a like at Cube Cuddle
Choose something.
Gerrymander.
Yeah.
Just saying.
The United Shiitakes? Is that trying to get a shiitake mushroom in there? Or?
United States.
Here are your
States.
Well, regions. Okay, that could have been all right. I could see that. You know, better than than region. Cross region avail.
That might work,
Yes.
'cause I do see kind of USBs kind of falling off the side there. So that does.
That's how I interpreted that. Yeah.
So everybody envisions USC is just kind of not on the entire continent.
It's slowly falling off the continent. Yeah.
Distributed.
Distributed computing.
Ta-da!
Well done, Don.
Let's see how we're doing after this round. The rankings look like something. So we got Mike D. Oh, but Buffalo is still got 2 of the top 3 slots.
My name's Mike D, and I get
Ranking
respect
up,
though. Watch
racking
out.
up those points.
Yep. You're cashing your Quiplash points, or what I expect.
City in a box.
So this one's even harder for me this round because I collected from 4 different rounds of, actually 5 because we did two rounds of each in the first episode.
Right.
God damn it, PJ. Or is that Olga?
What did I do?
No, that's
Olga.
PJ.
That's not PJ. PJ's on his phone. Boom.
That's not Olga too. This is a new
All right,
player.
everyone hands up. Everyone hands up.
Everybody hands up. Hands up. Come on.
It's definitely Don. I think it's Don.
You would hear it. You would hear it if it were me.
We
We
do
did.
hear
That's
hear
the
it.
point.
Someone had a lot of thoughts on that when they were like, I am tweeting this right now.
DevOps dumpster fire. Okay. Self-reflection. That. Wow.
Daily stand-up 2020 is nice.
So meta. Yeah. Watching it all burn. good
So
one.
what's funny is there's a couple in here that I know are actual prompts, so I don't know what this one is.
Yes. Yes. there
It
is
seemed really obvious to me, but maybe it's not as obvious as I thought it was.
Did you draw this one, Olga?
No,
Apparently not.
she's blue.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I know what it is now. I know which one it is. I'm
Ooh, good.
unsure about part of the drawing, so someone's gonna have to explain themselves. And that someone is PJ. So what is the box?
I didn't
No,
draw
but-
this.
Oh, that wasn't blameful postmortem. Oh,
I could
that's a
never
real
draw
problem.
anything this nicely. Come on.
Daily Stand Up 2020. So it is
Oh,
testing
man.
and prod.
Is there like one vote for every answer and none of us are right? Because that would be awesome.
What is the box, Quinn?
Not getting.
It's the dumpster fire. Everyone's screaming because they didn't mean to do that. That's what I.
Oh, so you're one of those.
I thought we were just supposed to
Touching on
draw.
prod, not on purpose.
I believe the correct marketing is you're supposed to draw feature flags whenever someone says testing and prod.
I don't work for that company.
Oh,
Oh, right.
Wow, I don't. This is a nice drawing.
Good.
There's some character in the face. There's some expression. There's a dynamic feel. You know.
It is very well drawn.
Q, did you draw this one? I feel like you just like it's very well drawn.
I just went. I literally cannot be the drawer.
But you know about my attention span. We've had a very long day.
I'm serious. Time is up.
I do.
Was he a Quinn though?
Was it you though?
Are your choices.
Jesus.
Brent, I like that. It's good. That's a good.
Oh, this is a tough one. These are all pretty darn on. Cube Cuddle. Yeah, again, Cube Cuddle Glitter.
That could really.
Pick an answer.
Another Walter.
Boot up, boot boot, boot 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 boot.
Somebody's got a really fancy Brent in their
Who picked
office. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Cube
I
Glitter.
know.
Cube Glitter.
Auto magic.
I want my Brent to come with a wizard hat and cape.
You should.
Put
Put on your wizard hat. Put on your wizard hat.
I would just put it on his cubicle. Like, just stick it right there on the cubicle so everybody knows where Brent sits.
In the chat, I told my son, I said, maybe you should try to like guess the answer. You know, talk about the actual game. He says, I would never. What marketing thinks a DevOps engineer is.
Man, this is another one answer each.
Did like that.
It's good. It's spreading out the points. Everybody feels good.
Olga.
Ba-ba!
Oh man, I'm
Now,
telling you.
Man, that's what I was
Now,
torn on. That was
Maddie,
my second answer.
Joey has an interesting math problem. Koala plus glitter equals Cube Cuddle Glitter.
Yeah.
Yep,
Oh,
I'll
he's
take
not.
it.
No, that checks out. Yeah.
I mean,
Joey, you
I
know
do
what's
have
up.
the only like 9 and 10-year-olds on the planet who know how to say Cube Cuddle because they drive around in a car with that as the license plate.
That's right, they do.
Oh.
Is he excited? Is
Is
he
he-
upset?
Is
Do
he
we
a
know?
duck?
I think he's got a tree on his head.
Is that a platypus? Is this Duckbill?
It could be a-
Is
could
that
be a
Billy the platypus?
It
On
could be.
underneath
Billy the platypus.
Billy.
I mean,
not
it's either an
Billy.
open screaming mouth or a platypus.
It's Perry the platypus.
It's definitely from here.
I just noticed that somebody's drawing his tux.
Okay. Here are your
By
choices.
the way,
Yeah, so we're not the only ones who saw the platypus. We got Corey Quinn,
fun fact:
Pete Cheslop.
the band that does the song for Phineas and Ferb is Bowling for Soup.
Yes.
It is.
In case anyone wanted to know.
Are you having a stroke? Jeremy?
Come on, pick one.
Oh, because we're talking about somebody said Perry the platypus, and then I
Yeah.
said,
Okay.
Phineas and Ferb. I'm with you. And then yeah, I'm with you.
Okay.
That
I
tracks.
got it. Okay. I didn't, it's like,
I mean, it's a valid.
this is like
question.
any Cubs fans listening. I'm like, it's like I got Ron Santo with me here, right? It's just like you're like.
Well, when you're watching the Cubs, what else are you gonna do?
I just knows I was spelled wrong. God damn it.
And points were still given.
Sorry about that.
Points were still given, so it doesn't matter.
No. I was the one who gave the points. That was the problem.
Don, this was fantastic.
That's not real. Oh, no.
I mean, come on, when you run Terraform Destroy, don't you go
Oh,
like,
see,
my God, this
Quinn,
is
here it
great.
is. So you're
There you
not the
go.
only one that has, It's not exactly the same as,
What?
I'm just hoping Matt's going to finish some of these sentences.
Yeah, I didn't get enough sentence to know what we were going with.
I got
that
distracted by the 10-year-old in the chat again. Oh,
I miss people. Okay.
Oh.
It's hard to read the text.
I'll fully admit that I drew this, and it is very not good for me to draw. I'm not good at drawing.
Like fighting sleep, fighting.
It looks like he's
fighting.
sleeping.
I miss people fighting.
Where's the fighting?
Can we get a sound clip of Jeremy just saying I miss people fighting and just like
I mean,
I'll put that in our
honest,
presentations?
Really, who doesn't miss people fighting?
No, I definitely don't. We can see that anytime. I think it was televised recently.
I got us covered. I got this.
Nice.
Whoa,
Nice.
done.
Well
All
played
right.
in every sense of the word.
So is this what we look forward to if we lose?
People, if you lose, it's people fighting. Yes.
Wow, some of these are engineering.
Like somebody's gonna have to like go to head to head with you.
You have templates for every song.
Not all.
Portrait.
What?
Oh.
Did you say song?
Doesn't have any button.
You have templates for every song. Then there's virtual conferences.
A DevOps Days retrospective. It's on brand.
And here are your picks.
Wow. Okay, Aaron.
I got one.
Yep.
I think Zoom fatigue
Everybody's
was
got
pretty
their
good. It's not that, because it hasn't occurred to me. One of the points that was brought up on the game on Tuesday is that we should start paying attention to the prompts that aren't the answer, and these should become future prompts because they're really good.
We need to go back through some of these.
Yeah.
Oh.
Virtual conferences, I believe this is the correct answer.
Oh.
Wow, so that's like really padding out the Buffalo score there because there's a point for PJ and some points for Olga.
Yes.
Ouch.
Let's see where are we looking at. Oh, I don't know.
Dethroned.
Olga's definitely got a commanding lead, but you know, the rest of Buffalo needs to kind of get their, you know.
Okay.
Come on, we got this.
This is a good drawing.
Really is.
Yeah, there's a good use of color going on. Like,
Yeah.
compared to that last drawing, I don't know who
There's
did that
two
one. What a
colors.
loser.
Yeah, exactly.
There's two, no erase, but there's two colors.
No erase. That is the theme of Drawful. No erase, but two colors.
Come on.
I'm missing some peeps.
Vote, y'all.
And here are your choices.
Fleck runs on Kubernetes.
That's really good. Oh.
I almost.
These are all really quite good. Yeah.
What was the thing at the top with the letters that I can't read?
Honk.
Moose running Kubernetes.
Just pick one.
Honk?
You mean in the drawing? In the drawing.
Oh,
it's
the
a-
drawing.
Oh,
Here are your
it's the word
I
honk.
thought he meant the
Honk. Oh, I should have gotten that.
Decoy.
Oh, decoy. Oh,
Because PJ couldn't get his in quick enough.
I did though.
I did too.
Yes.
Done Q.
Yeah.
Squeak.
Yeah.
I like the reference.
That's good.
The
really
Untitled
like bonus-
Kubernetes game.
bonus
Is,
point
that's
for that,
that's
actually.
solid. That's solid. Not
It is
gonna lie.
good.
Oh,
But it is, of course, a goose running
Ba-ba.
Kubernetes, which is Ian Coldwater, right? So
Right.
That's fair.
So many
These are the same picture.
Yeah. And here we go. And Olga takes an.
Yeah.
There you go.
So that goes by quickly. I'll have to check, and I will get you a score after because we'll look
but
and
who's
see.
the
But
most
let's see
thumbs
who was
up?
the most liked.
Oh yeah.
Aaron, which is also Buffalo.
What can I say? What can I say?
So I gotta tell you, you know. So here's your rankings. Okay, top 2 were Buffalo. Okay, and so Boston, you should
I can count
feel
my points either way. That'll...
you should feel poorly about yourself. Is what
Yeah.
I'm saying here. Yeah.
I do. I did already. That's okay.
Sadness.
So one of the
Told
things you
all
can
you guys should have worn
do.
shirts.
Yeah, you can if you did see any drawings you really like, I think there's a way you can actually order a shirt on your phone. Not if you're watching the stream, but players can do it. I may have some ridiculous shirts from this game. So that's
Maybe.
the thing that happens. Yeah.
All right, so you can also, those in the audience and even those playing. I mean, come on, let's go with that. You can
Oh
go to
wait,
DevOps.
there's a link in the chat that I guess you can click on to like. Buy
Well, there you go.
So
Good,
that's
good,
good stuff. See right there.
Yeah, so-
I'm not gonna read it, but whatever.
Yeah. So DevOpsPartyGames.com. Get informed about the upcoming.
I will talk to you about
episodes
this.
we have,
There's a
and
specific one. Specifically.
There is a specific one that is coming up, and I'll let Matt do that in just a second.
Okay.
But at the bottom, if you like, there's two things that you can do at the bottom of the screen. One, or the bottom of the page. One is you can submit yourself or someone else as a suggested participant in future DevOps Party Games. Then you also can submit suggested prompts. If you look at these prompts and go, that really wasn't all that great, I could do better, then put your prompts in there, and let's get them into the game as we do more and more episodes. We already have 2-3 episodes upcoming, so
We do.
Get yours.
We need, and we are only so clever, and by so clever I mean not very. But yeah, upcoming October 27th. So I'm just going to sort of tell you, DevOps Party Games pretty much generally runs on the last Tuesday of the month. Today is a special exhibition game. Things are different. So the next game will be Tuesday, October 27th. But that's going to be a little different. It is going to be our All-Star Edition, so it will be all returning players. And we're actually going to play some different games that we haven't played before. So keep an eye on DevOpsPartyGames.com, the hashtag DevOps Party Games on Twitter. Follow DevOps Party Game, because Twitter's dumb, just like Zoom, but differently. Go check that out. And we also have, if you really want to blast into the future, you could also mark your calendar for Tuesday, November 17th, which will be the next regular episode of DevOps Party Games, which we are not doing on the last Tuesday of the month because something involving turkeys. That said, regarding our All-Star game, if you would like to vote or, kind of submit who you think of previous players.
Vote for PJ.
Yeah, vote for PJ. If you go to maddie.wtf/partygamespoll, you can rank who you think should be featured in the All-Star game. But they have to have played in a ranking game, not an exhibition game only. So sorry.
Right.
But maybe we'll get all y'all on later. So anyway, would
I'm
love
still eligible.
to... What?
I'm still eligible. It's
Aaron
fine.
is eligible on this stream. PJ is. Quinn is.
It's all that matters, I
You can
guess.
vote for them. Yeah.
Yeah.
So far.
So far.
We'll have to have an all
thank you.
DevOps days.
Hey, I mean this, thank you, organizers of two really fantastic DevOps Days events. I imagine at some point people who were not able to join in the fun. Did something just happen to Zoom, or is Aaron just sitting that still? Aaron is just sitting that still. Wow.
Aaron's
Anyway, DevOpsDays.org to find an upcoming DevOps
Amen.
Days that isn't one of these until we do this next year. But thank you, everybody. It's great to, some of you are old friends, some of you are new friends I just met over the last couple days, and it's been really fun to help out with your event in one way or another. And you should be proud of yourselves. I'm proud of you.
All right. Thanks all for joining. Thank you.